In this lesson we are going to speak about Genymotion. Genymotion is another emulator for Android, but this one is really quick and it's really easy to use and allow us to emulate real device on the market. So you can have a set of tablets or Android phone, which is all you need to test a real application. So go to a browser and open the Genymotion website. Click on Get Genymotion. Get the free version. Download it for your operating system. Okay, save the file. I already have it, so I'm going to install it. You need to install Genymotion and Genymotion shell, and we are ready to go. Here I have already my set of device. I always test on a phone, I always test on a 7-inch tablet and a 10-inch tablet. For example, I'm going to launch the phone. You're going to see how quick it is. I'm not even going to pause the video. Android emulator normally takes like 5 minutes, but this one is quick. And whenever you want to install an application, if you have an APK file, it's as easy as drag and drop, and it will install it. See? It's so fast. This is even better than using your real device. It's so responsive. You can play any application here. And the next thing that we think is connect Genymotion with Android Studio. So then is when we have the perfect tool. So go to Android Studio, and on Android Studio, Preference, scroll down to Plugins, and search for the Genymotion plugin. Here we have one Genymotion plugin, install it, and restart Android Studio. Okay, I have restarted Android Studio, and as you can see here at the top, we have the Genymotion icon. Here you can start a device or create a new one. I already have my device running, so I'm just going to try to launch the application. It's the same if you click on this icon or you just go into the Genymotion application. You can start them from here or from here. Don't worry about that. Okay, it's running. And we can see here that it has detected our Genymotion emulator, which is already running. So I'm going to click OK. We quickly open the emulator. So I'm going to see that the application is just deployed instantly. It's so fast. I can close the application, go to the menu, and you will see my first application here. Okay, I want to show you also the application in a tablet. So I'm going to close this emulator. I'm going to go to Genymotion, start on Nexus 7 tablet. Wait until the application is launched. As you can see here at the right, I have a different button. So I can increase the volume on the mobile. I can generate GPS coordinates, so I can simulate that I am in any location. I can rotate the device. Okay, let's see how the application is looking in landscape. Let's play it. Okay, installing, and here it is, our application in horizontal. Okay, and now, as I promised, I'm going to show some shortcuts to be more efficient developing with Android Studio. Imagine that you want to go to this class, to my first activity, but you don't have it here, and it's quite slow to look on the project. So what we do is press Ctrl-Shift-O or Command-Shift-O and start typing the name, so you can navigate directly to this class. This is a shortcut to go to any class or file. It can be the same with the view. And this is the quick navigation to a class. If we want the quick navigation to a method declaration or a class declaration, we just leave the button press Command press and click on it, and we go to the declaration. If we want to go to the declaration of the method, we do the same. Command press in the top of the method, click on it, and we go to the declaration of the method. So with these two things, you can be quite fast going from one class to another. And another thing that can be useful to you is the search. If you click on Ctrl+Shift+F, you will find in path whatever you want to find. For example, my first, and I will find here the declaration to the search. And that is all for now.